Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best iPhone 13 Pro camera lens replacement is probably one of the most crucial components to consider if you're looking to restore your device's photographic capabilities to their former glory, ensuring that every shot you capture remains crisp, clear, and vibrant, just as the day you first unboxed your premium smartphone, making it an essential consideration for any user experiencing visual degradation. Number 5. Vooii Elena iPhone 13 Pro Silicone Case. Introducing the Vooii X Elena collaboration, a top-grade soft liquid silicone case designed for your iPhone 13 Pro. It offers a plush texture and a secure grip, ensuring your device feels great in your hand. Inside, a soft microfiber lining protects your phone from scratches, keeping it looking pristine. Plus, it fully supports wireless charging for your convenience. Worry less about accidental damage with our upgraded built-in camera cover. It keeps dust away and ensures your camera lens remains protected, while precise cutouts provide easy access to all buttons and ports. This case boasts a slim profile that complements your phone's elegant design, easily fitting into pockets and bags. Despite its slimness, it effectively absorbs and disperses shock, with raised edges safeguarding your screen and camera from surface scratches. Achieve a seamless look as the case perfectly matches your phone's camera color. This unified design gives your device a brand new, streamlined appearance, reflecting your aesthetic taste. We stand by our product with a lifetime replacement service. Rest assured, your purchase is covered, and our customer support team is ready to assist you promptly with any issues. What we like. This case offers superior camera protection with a built-in cover to keep dust away. Its plush silicone exterior and soft microfiber lining ensure your phone stays scratch-free. If you prioritize comprehensive camera defense and a comfortable grip, this is the choice for you. What people say. The camera lens replacement was a perfect fit for my iPhone 13 Pro. The clarity of the replacement lens is excellent, and it restored the original camera quality. Installation was straightforward, and the new lens feels as durable as the original. Number 4. Tensea Camera Lens Protector for iPhone 13 Pro Pro Max. Introducing the Tensea Camera Lens Protector, specifically designed for your iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max. It offers robust protection against damage and scratches. Crafted with aviation aluminum and 9H tempered glass, this protector ensures durability. It's designed to keep your camera safe from shocks and drops. Enjoy stunning photo quality without compromise. The highly transparent tempered glass ensures no influence on your phone's original image performance, even with flash. Add a touch of personalization with its delicate spiral pattern that creates fascinating reflections. It protects your lens while adding a unique, glittery decoration. Installation is a breeze. Simply clean your lens, let it dry for a couple of minutes, and apply the protector for a perfect fit. It's also case-friendly. With its secure seal to prevent dust and water ingress, you can have peace of mind knowing your camera is fully protected. What we like. This protector combines a durable aluminum frame with 9H tempered glass for robust defense against drops and scratches. The unique 3D spiral pattern adds a stylish, personalized touch. If you want to protect your lenses while adding a unique aesthetic, this is a great option. What people say. The first set lasts 2 years until I dropped it on the concrete. It shattered only one lens cover, but my camera lens were protected. Easy to apply. Comes with everything you need, including a removal tool to take off the old covers. They are also durable. This is my second set. So happy I had them on when my phone was dropped by my nephew. The cover lens cracked, but my phone lens was intact. They are easy to put on and stay on until you take them off. My camera lenses completely shattered but held together, and the phone came out just fine. I went inside and ordered 2 more sets that day, if they didn't fog up super easy, and I see a lot of negotiate reviews about them doing so. Even though it's easy to work around, I would give them 5 stars on install, but protection and price are wonderful for actual glass lenses. Number 3. Tharlet Magnetic Shockproof Case for iPhone 13 Pro. This case is designed to work perfectly with MagSafe accessories and wireless chargers. It ensures a strong connection for all your magnetic add-ons. Featuring an upgraded embedded magnetic ring, it offers improved strength for magnetic accessories. Enjoy a reliable and secure attachment every time. With reinforced TPU corners, this case provides excellent shock absorption against drops and bumps. The non-slip bumper ensures a secure grip, giving you peace of mind. Experience a sleek and subtle design with no added bulk. It maintains a slim profile while offering robust protection for your device. This case offers comprehensive protection for your phone's camera lenses. It ensures your camera stays safe from scratches and impacts. Crafted from premium materials, it is highly scratch-resistant. This helps maintain its pristine look while offering better protection for your phone. Designed for a snug fit on the iPhone 13 Pro 6.1-inch, this case comes with a 180-day replacement service. Contact us for any issues, and we guarantee a satisfactory solution within 6 hours. What we like. Engineered for seamless MagSafe compatibility, this case enhances wireless charging and magnetic accessory use. It features shock-absorbing corners and a luxurious plating edge for both protection and style. If you're invested in the MagSafe ecosystem and want a case that's both functional and fashionable, consider this one. What people say. Black gold details, sturdy and fits phone perfectly. Perfect fit for my iPhone. Strong magnetic strip that works really well. Easy to install on phone and has a smooth texture. Comes exactly as pictured and advertised. Great texture in hands and exactly as the photo. Number 2. Tensea iPhone 13 Pro Pro Max Camera Lens Protector. Introducing the Tensea Camera Lens Protector, specifically designed for your iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max. It offers robust protection against damage and scratches. Crafted with aviation aluminum and 9H tempered glass, this protector ensures your camera lenses are shielded from impacts and dust. It's designed to be case-friendly and leaves no residue. Add a touch of personal style with brilliant, machine-applied artificial crystals. These diamonds create a dazzling shine, making your phone stand out while protecting your lenses. Experience no loss in image quality. The highly transparent tempered glass ensures your photos remain sharp and clear, even when using the flash. Installation is a breeze. Simply clean your camera lens and apply the protector. Each package includes multiple protectors for great value. What we like. Add a dazzling sparkle to your iPhone with this camera lens protector featuring brilliant artificial crystals. It offers full protection with tempered glass and an aluminum ring, ensuring your camera remains scratch-free without compromising image quality. If you love a bit of bling and want to personalize your device while keeping the camera safe, this is perfect. What people say. They are sparkly and cute and protect my lenses well. The protectors are easy to keep clean and the adhesive is far and above better than others I have tried. Perfect fit to protect my camera lenses. Number 1. GVKVGIH iPhone 13 Pro Max Pro Camera Lens Replacement. Is your cracked camera lens affecting the quality of your photos? Are scratches causing unusual spots in your images? This replacement kit is designed to perfectly solve these issues. Our replacement lens is an OEM Grade A version, ensuring it fits your original rear camera perfectly. It's designed specifically for the iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max, not other models. Replacing the lens is straightforward with the included professional repair tools. The glass comes with pre-installed adhesive, and our manual guides you step by step. No need to disassemble your phone. Why pay expensive repair shop fees? By choosing this kit and doing it yourself, you can save a significant amount of money. It's a truly cost-effective solution. Please note that the camera frame is not included. Before purchasing, double-check your model. We offer a 12-month warranty on all our brand products for your peace of mind. What we like. This kit provides an OEM-grade replacement for your cracked iPhone camera lens, including all necessary tools for a DIY repair. It's a budget-friendly solution to restore your photo quality without expensive shop visits. If your camera lens is damaged and you're looking for a cost-effective way to fix it yourself, this kit is ideal. What people say. Looks great, you could never tell that the lens was not original. All of these tools and everything I needed was in the bag. Goodbye. And it comes with 2 extra frames in it. This kit fixed it in about 3 minutes and works just like factory. You cannot tell the repair was even made. And it came with 2 full sets, so if it happens again we can repair it again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.